Okay, so good evening. It is 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Now just turned to 9:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. It is 3/27/2025. Check my community. I did explain why I'm not posting my videos. I'm actually still on vacation. Still in Cocoa Beach, Florida Pier, actually. I'm actually near Cocoa Beach. We're leaving on Saturday. Book our flight. I'll let you know how my flight goes. Hopefully my flight does go well back to Michigan. So, and no, I'm not sick. And it looks like I'm actually, if you don't know what Cocoa Beach is, it is on Cape Canaveral. Well, we just saw a Racket Lodge. And what we just saw, pretty cool actually. Here's Cape Canaveral. Let me find. Okay, it's around. Oh, here's Cape Canaveral. Here's Cocoa Beach. So this is where Cocoa Beach is. It's a nice town. Gotta bump it. And SpaceX is pretty much somewhere around this area. It's around that. Okay, so let's get to our weather. Just a few minutes ago I saw some smoke. Actually, I thought it was a fire, but nope, it wasn't. Yeah, fun fact. I did start a website. It's called mewweather.com. Link is in the description. Mewweather.com is, we're selling stuff. Tells about the weather, any warnings, and the first page blogs. I think I posted a blog about politics. So that's good. Call me. Want to call me? Call 517-223-7278. Phone line's open at 2:35 to 9 p.m. In Eastern Daylight Time. It is 9:33, so don't call me, because if you do, it will go to voicemail. So yeah. Here's, let's watch our radar, I guess. Watch our radar. Okay, love it. So there's nothing on radar, but remember, these go by increments. Trust me. So let's view our forecast. Here's Lansing, current weather, same different weather, blah. If you want me to add any location, so please don't mention address, just mention general, for example. Cocoa Beach, I'm not going to say my address, but just say, like, for example, if I was in Michigan, let's say Lansing, I want to say my address. I would say, hey, I'm in either say the county, or at least say what state, county, or, yeah, just tell what state and county. I'll add that to the website too. So yeah. So let's say we've got some rain coming here, maybe around, estimation, maybe 10 o'clock-ish. You're going to see some rain. Starting some rain, it'll be stopping around. Okay, do it. Pull up the tables. Where's the tables? Third. Go. Talk to me. So, favorite table. So, actually, no rain today. Okay, so, what happened at 10 a.m., continuing until 5 p.m., and stopping the rest of the day. And the 29th, Saturday, when I head back around, okay, around 5 p.m. you're going to see some rain. Continuing into tomorrow, stopping around, it's going to continue to Monday. You can see some rain, though. Great, I'm expecting some flooding until 2 p.m. on Monday. That means it's going to be rain on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. 2 days. It will be raining. Wow. Bizarre. That's bizarre. And yeah. I'm using Microsoft Weather. Or MSN Weather. You can look up if you have Windows, watch my behind the scenes video that tells you what's happening with my laptop. I made a YouTube short about my smartboard. I'm going to delete it. It's terrible. I don't like it. Okay. I guess we'll look at Florida's forecast. I think we'll look at Cocoa Beach because that's where I'm in. I don't know what's happening down there anyway. Cocoa Beach. Talk to me. I have to find Cocoa Beach. Sorry, okay, let me find it real quick. Cocoa Beach, right there. Cocoa Beach, talk to me. We got 2 warning alerts. First off, like always, we got a Rip Current statement. But then, over here, we got a small, oh my gosh, I should probably type this, but okay, small, I'm typing this. Small craft, whoops. Small craft AD. Now remember, small craft AD means small craft advisory. Those are 2 other alerts now every day. You should get Rip Currents. Now, I just went to the ocean. Actually, I think we're going to the ocean tomorrow. And today, actually, I think yesterday, I don't know what the weather was like because I was on vacation. I'm still on vacation, like I said. It was pretty nice out. Ocean was nice. Nice and clear. Could see. The only thing I'm worried about is sharks. But I'm not worried about it. Okay. Table. Okay. Saturday I'll be gone. I'll be leaving the 30th. The 30th, you're going to see some rain, actually. Starting at 10 a.m., ending at 12 p.m. And then tonight at 8 p.m., not tonight, I'm sorry, on the 30th. Tonight on the 30th, 8 p.m., I'll have some rain. Stopping at 10 p.m. That's not bad. Actually, that's really not bad at all, but keeps going. Also clear, love it. So, that's good because, like I said, I will say this like a million times. I got another camera. There we go. So, I see it all the time, every day. And remember, I'm going to say it. Warnings or no warnings. Advisories or no advisories. Remember, there are still problems. There are still warnings, and they still exist. Weather, rip currents, wherever it is, it's very, very unpredictable. I'm wrong. Sometimes I'm wrong, and they're wrong. But do I care? No, I don't care. You can insult me, saying how terrible a job, I made a mistake. Hey, you have to learn. I'm saying I'm sorry, but there's nothing I can do. Once I post this broadcast, this video, it's sent. And nothing I can do once this thing is sent, I cannot turn back the clocks. Okay, I can delete the video, but I'm not redoing the video, so because I'm too lazy to do one again. Unless I have problems with this one. So, to the west, very, very typical. I see lots and lots of warnings. Very, very typical. I don't care about the warnings. Personally, I'm not even worried about it. I see some small craft advisory and some gale watch around Chicago and near Michigan. Going up almost to Milwaukee and Sheboygan, whatever you pronounce that. And coming up north, you got some snowfall warning, a winter storm in the UP or Upper Peninsula for short. and went to storm watch. Wildfire information. Look at that. So nothing in Florida. That's good. I don't want nothing in Florida, but typical. Everything's so typical. Everything in the West here, it's going to be nice, red, hot, fiery. Remember, big is good, small is... Oh, no, big is bad, small is good. Typical. Yeah, it is very, very typical. Okay. Moving on, let's go to radar. Okay. Down south in Mexico, you can see a major storms actually happening down south, it appears. I guess we're gonna watch this radar, because that's not good. That's not good at all. Ooh. Okay, that's not good. Okay, so stop this. That isn't good. This thing is good chance. It's gonna get nice and big, juicy. And what happens because nice and big and juicy? It's moving to the east. And moves to the east. It's gonna hit Louisiana, maybe Mississippi. If it still has enough power, Alabama, which is probably not gonna happen, but still, it's a good chance. It's gonna hit Shreveport, impossibility, Jackson. Am I expecting tornadoes? Yes and no. It's a 50-50 chance. It's like you throwing a coin toss into the air and see what happens. But, like I said before, weather is a gamble. It's a nice, it's like a machine that gambles everything, but you don't know what the outcomes are. It's a 50-50 chance. That's what predicting's all about. It's a 50-50 chance on everything. So 50-50 chance, I don't even know what's going to happen. I probably do know a little bit. Sometimes I don't want to discuss some of the information, but I do. I do want to expose people who are lying. In fact, it's all about race. I'm going to talk about that also, because I want to talk about financial stuff. Financial. No, never mind. So, Louisiana impacted. Houston's going to get impacted shortly. Maybe around, I don't know the timings on that one. Time. Around Friday 20th at 1:05 a.m. or 10:05 p.m. Pacific time. Or remember, PTD, Pacific Daylight Time, Central Daylight Time, EDT, Eastern Daylight Time, Central Daylight Time, blah, 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 blah. I know, sometimes they're confusing. Alright. What's happening? Well, we got a major storm coming from here. We're going to move to the east. Okay. 13 minutes. It's going to be nice. It's going to be very short. I'll make it as short as possible, like I said every video. I say it, but that never happens. Well, it's going to happen today, after I just messed up. Because I need to. And I'll just make camera 2. Okay, so moving on. Okay, so... games. I should have checked this before, but I didn't. There isn't any, so that's pretty good if there is not. Let's see what else. We got earthquakes. Well, first of all, we got typical. Anything mostly in the west is pretty typical. Earthquakes, warnings, blah blah blah. Pretty typical. Good or bad? Well, whatever. It depends what you want to say. It's good and bad. It doesn't really matter. 14 minutes. Well, this in Brazil, in Rio Grande do Norte, in Paraíba, in Alagoas, and Pernambuco could be at risk. I named